Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the JBL GO5 IP68 10 hours battery, Bluetooth, Air Touch and more. So it's using Bluetooth version 6.0. So the battery is up to 8 hours of playtime plus 2 hours with a playtime boost. And it has stereo pairing and multi-speaker connection by Auracast. And there it is, guys. Let's take it out. I don't think it comes with anything else these days. Yeah, there you have it. Can stay flat, up, and let's turn it on. Same, and the USB-C charging port. So yeah, I've been turning it on, and it was pairing very fast with my Android phone, and I just played a quick song on it, and it does sounds really good. Now in terms of size difference, it is a bit wider, I think, longer. It is a bit longer than this is the Go4 and this is the Go5, so it is a bit longer, and it changed this strap, and then obviously on the back, instead of this fit, you get like this type, which I don't know if it's better or not. These were quite strong. So yeah, and then obviously that's different. Now you have this kind of stuff. So I'm gonna test it, and maybe I'll do a soundproof as well, see what you guys think. Hi guys, yes, we're in the park. We're gonna try quickly the JBL GO5 and the Soundcore Boom i3, I think it's called. Yeah, so let's start with the JBL. We're gonna play this song, and yeah, let's start now. The volume is kind of like this. I'm gonna go a bit further. Still sounds really well. It's like a big open space. So I'm like kind of like this distance. Let's just increase the sound to maximum. So bear in mind this is outdoors, and it's by default with the JBL signature sound. So obviously if you come closer, has the RGB lights as well.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me?
That's from behind. Let's turn down the volume a bit. Yeah, so it's a nice little speaker for outdoors. You can take it when you're cycling. You can take it with you when you're cycling. Has decent sound. It definitely sounds a bit bigger than the Go4, but nothing impressive. And I will show you in a minute the Soundcore. That's actually impressive, and it's better than Tribit. I don't know how it's Tribit 3, but then Tribit Micro 2 and even 1, it's, yeah, a lot better. It's one of my favorite small portable speakers, and I think it's on the same level as the one from Marshall.